charts here with everybody, and today, Monday, was a typical day except for oil, and I'll get to that in a second. But I'll start with my favorite stock, XIV. We closed our trade all day on Friday, and we bought back in today. Had a buy signal, so I bought some at 37.20, and then a little bit more at 37.40. I was hoping to catch a bigger move down to get into a better average price, but it just didn't come down to my intraday signal, so I went ahead and bought higher. And so, right now, I'm looking for a turnaround Tuesday to be able to take some profit on XIV, and that's kind of how I'm playing it right now. I expect the next 2 days are typically up days in the market, so I'm going with the probabilities. And as you can see here, buy signal above 50, take the trade. And now let's go to oil. And oil got hit pretty hard, and a little gap down, stayed down all day, but looks like it just this might have been a bit of a blow off or a reach. So we're just going to see what happens here. If oil gets back down to the 20 moving average and holds, then it's going to be a good place to re-enter for those who've been waiting to get back into oil. And related to that is that we're in ERX, and we took profit on it last week, but got back in again on it last week. So the new trade, we're down a little bit, but overall, I don't see oil in the next 6 weeks falling much at all. And so I'm gonna hang on to ERX, and I'll reevaluate if the mid 30s don't hold. But my expectation is that ERX will go with the stock market, and I think the stock market's going to go higher. And speaking of the stock market, here's SPY. And with oil down that much, you would have thought SPY would have really got hit pretty hard today, but just did not. And so my expectation is if it can't push it down, they're going to push it up. And so that's what I'm going to be watching for. And I think this time is that they'll get help with the dollar, and I think gold will come back around. I'm watching for a buy signal here on gold again, but I'm already in it. And it's from a secular standpoint, I have some calls. I'm ready to roll those. I'm just going to wait till the buy signal and roll those out 2 weeks. And so that's kind of what my plan is for gold. And then we own a couple biotech stocks, and these are just some beta plays here. Is that we have Pac B. We bought it around $9, so I just didn't want to be cute with it. I'm just going to hold it. This has huge short interest on it, and also there's buyout rumors are constantly circulating, so hopefully I'll catch one of those moves and scare the shorts off and be able to grab a 10% profit. And then along with that, I have INO, and had a great day today on INO. We're in the money on INO, and I'm just going to watch it. Just recaptured its 20 moving average, and I'd love to get a 10% move on this too. One stock I didn't share with you guys, I've been getting buy signals on it. I just have enough biotech, so I haven't really been pushing it too hard. AIMT seems to be getting a bit of a move here, and so if we get any kind of selling down on this and it holds the moving VWAP line, I'll probably add this as well to the buy signal. So that's kind of what's going on in biotech land with me. And other than that, I'm keeping it pretty simple here going into the scary season. And my view is that they're just not going to let it sell off. It's not going up enough for me to be able to get some credit spreads, and it's not selling off enough to give us a really good positioning. So we're just going to have to just be careful and take the trades that we can until a trend with any kind of meat develops again. So, but say la vie, that's where we are. And last week we had a tremendous week, and our expectation to make money again. And if you're interested in what you're doing and you have a small account, we we've been trading Nadex pretty aggressively here for the last 5 to 6 weeks. Our track record has been nothing short of outstanding, and it's in the high 90s, and some folks have already tripled their money. Actually, some guys have already made their money over 6 times, and so we can help you turn $500 into 5,000. And then once you get there, we have a plan for you to take that 5,000 and multiply that up to about 25,000 a couple years from now. So come join us, come check us out. Give it a shot, try it out for a month. I think you'll be really happy with what we do. Talk to people who use the service, and I think you're going to find that we have something pretty unique going on here. That's a winner. And just come join us and make some money and have some fun in the process. Thanks. It's Bob from Trade Genius, and I'll catch you guys all tomorrow. Bye-bye.